Hello friends, welcome back to Swaggy Amma, and today in this video we are back with another delicious Konkani recipe, Gosale Sheere Chutney. This can also be called as rich gourd or sponge gourd peel chutney. To prepare this recipe, firstly we are going to take one medium sized rich gourd and peel the outer skin of it with the help of a peeler. Usually we discard the outer skin, but for this recipe we are going to use the outer skin to prepare the chutney. 1 medium sized rich gourd yields about 2 cup of rich gourd peel. Next, to further cook this, place a kadai and transfer the rich gourd peel into it. Further into this, add 1/4 cup of water and now close this with a lid and cook for about 5 to 10 minutes in low to medium flame. Keep stirring this occasionally to make sure it's uniformly cooked. Now your rich gourd is well cooked, you can stop further cooking and allow this to cool down in room temperature for some time. Next, take a mixer jar and add 1 cup of freshly grated coconut, 2 to 3 green chili split, a small piece of tamarind and the previously cooked rich gourd peel. Now add little water and grind until your fine chutney paste is ready. Now add salt as per your taste and mix everything well. Next, take a kadai and add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, half teaspoon of mustard seed, half teaspoon of jeera, 2 to 3 dried chili and a handful of curry leaf and prepare the tempering. Now transfer the chutney into a serving bowl and add the prepared tempering into it. Now your delicious Gosale Sheere chutney or your rich gourd peel chutney is ready. This can be had as a side dish for idli, dosa, chapati or rice. So do try this simple recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and to share it along with your friends. Thank you for watching and do not forget to like, follow and subscribe Swaggy Amma in Facebook, Instagram and YouTube.